Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, coming at you with a cold start walk around video. We got this beautiful 2006 Ford F350 one-ton crew cab long bed 4-wheel drive XLT, 222,000 miles. This truck is clean and nice. A couple of very tasteful modifications going on to the appearance, but 40-degree day out. Not sunny, kind of gloomy, raining yesterday. We're gonna hop up in this cold start video. WeatherTech floor mats, power seats, jumper seat in the middle. It's an XLT, so it's not a work truck, but it's also not a Lariat. As you can see, we are cold. Wait, the start light just went off. 222,291 on the miles. Start her up. See, there's nothing weird happening back there. She's not smoking or missing. This truck runs and drives awesome. I got the flash on here. Sorry about that in advance. As you can see, it idles great. All the gauges are working like they should. We've got your auxiliary switches and trailer brakes, 4-wheel drive. Heat and AC work great. Tunes sound good on the radio. Tinted windows up front, power windows, locks, power mirrors. Now this truck is bone stock. I mean, the way Ford made it in 2006, nothing's changed. It's never been chipped, tuned, exhaust programmed. I bought it stock. It was a work truck. We've done all the modifications you've seen on it. Let's go pop our heads under the hood real quick. Now, you guys know I don't clean under the hoods. Kind of what you expect. A little bit of dirt. It's a diesel. Motorcraft batteries. Check it for blow by real quick. Absolutely zero blow by at all. It's very rare with these kind of miles. Call this truck Terminator. It's just got that look to it. It's a 1-ton long bed, 8-foot bed. It's just got a stance to it. It is a 2.5-inch leveling kit on the front, just spacers on the springs. And we've got a 20 by 12 Americana Cali off-road wheel with a brand new 305 5520 all-terrain amp tire. Negative 44 offset on the wheels. We have professionally paint to match fender flares and professionally paint to match mirrors. Black Harley Davidson headlights, window tint, and we've got smoked LED tails in the rear. It's a clean truck. You're gonna notice a little bit of the Ford chrome peeling on the grill. Don't worry, you can buy these grills on eBay for 50 bucks. That one's still in good shape, just a little peeling. I'm going down the truck. I'm just gonna be showing you stuff. It's a clean truck. There's not much to point out. The mirrors were professionally sanded, primered, cleared, and sprayed, so they got a nice shine to them. They got the smoke blinkers in them as well. Solid one-piece rear window. We do have a turnover ball along with a bed liner, spray-in bed liner. Well, there's not much to show you. There's no cab corner rust, no rocker rust, no damage. There is a little bit of rust under the fender flares. You got little dings like that, nothing big. All in all, this truck is in great condition. It's just got a beautiful look, the contrast of black to silver all over it, from the tail lights to everything. Tail lights light up LED red. A couple little dents in the tailgate here. Just little scuffs from backing in the thing. Nice quiet exhaust, no smoke. Like I said, the wheels are 20 by 12 with negative 44 offset, Cali black and milled Americanas. I know you guys can tell by looking at this truck. got a great look to it. It's only been online for 2 days now. The response rate is tremendous. It's a beautiful truck, just super clean with a couple of great looking modifications to it. I know I always say it, and I'm usually right, but it's not gonna be around long. If you're interested in this truck, head on over to our website, 816diesel.com. On the website, you're gonna find the VIN number, all the HD pictures, anything and everything you might want for it's over on the website. You can call me directly at the shop, 816-298-7030. Best way to get a hold of me, hit me up on my cell phone, 913-735-3748. My name's Cameron. Happy to answer any texts, any calls. We're here 6 days a week to show the truck. Get a hold of me if you want to come check it out. You will not be disappointed. But this truck's not going to be around long, guys, so let me know if there's any other questions you have about it or anything you want to see. I'm happy to get it over to you, but that's all. Have a great day, guys.